Today we start the topic, the derivative of implied functions. First of all, we understand what do you mean by the term implied functions. Implied functions are those functions in which y cannot be expressed directly in terms of x. And if it is possible to write y as in terms of x, then such functions are known as explicit functions. For example, if y is equal to x square plus sine 2x. Here y is directly in terms of x. So such functions are known as explicit function. If we want to differentiate this, differentiate both sides with respect to x, dy by dx is 2x plus derivative of sine 2x is cos 2x, and for this 2x multiply by 2 here. So this is the derivative of this explicit function. But suppose the function is, example 2, suppose the function is ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Now in this function it's not possible to write y in terms of x. Such functions are known as implied functions. So here if we want to find dy by dx, suppose the question is find dy by dx. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. So when you differentiate this ax, a derivative of by square is, b is the constant, y square derivative 2y, and derivative of y is dy by dx equal to derivative of cos y is minus sine y, and derivative of y is dy by dx. So when we differentiate this with respect to x, so when there is a term having y, we have to write dy by dx along with the derivative. So now the question is to find dy by dx. Take all dy by dx terms on one side, sin y dy by dx plus 2by dy by dx equal to minus a. So if you take dy by dx common, we have sin y plus 2by equal to minus a. So dy by dx is equal to minus a upon sin y plus 2by. So this is our derivative of the function with respect to x. Now next question is question number 4. Now in this exercise there are some questions which are explicit functions based, some are implied functions based. So xy plus y square equal to tan x plus y, and if we need to find dy by dx, no need to calculate y in terms of x, we directly differentiate our function. So differentiate with respect to x. So when we differentiate the first term, we need to apply the product rule. So x as it is, derivative of y is dy by dx, plus y as it is, derivative of x is 1, plus derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Any term where we have y part, when we differentiate that, we have to write dy by dx along with the derivative. So tan x derivative is secant square x plus derivative of y is dy by dx. Now take all dy by dx terms on one side. It is common. This is dy by dx, this is dy by dx, and this last term. So take all dy by dx on one side. Take it common. We have x plus 2y minus 1 equal to secant square x minus y. Take without dy by dx terms on right hand side and dy by dx terms on left hand side. So our dy by dx is equal to secant square x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1. So this is the derivative of the function with respect to x. And if we want to write dx by dy in the same question, for dx by dy, just take the reciprocal of this value. So now this next is question number 5, that is x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100, and we need to find dy by dx in this. Again differentiate with respect to x. So when we differentiate x square with respect to x, it is 2x. Then again xy, we need to apply product rule. X as it is, derivative of y dy by dx, plus y as it is, derivative of x1, plus y square 2y dy by dx, and derivative of 100 is 0. 100 is the constant, derivative is 0. So take dy by dx common, x plus 2y, and take remaining terms on other side, minus 2x minus y. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus y divided by x plus 2y. So this is the derivative of the function with respect to x. So now in any question where you have given some equation in terms of x and y and we need to find the derivative, we just differentiate the complete equation with respect to x and calculate dy by dx from that equation. And when there is a term having y, when we differentiate that term, we always write dy by dx.